The next sandhi that we will be studying is Jihvamuliya Upadhmaniya Sandhi. At the end of this lesson, we will be understanding what is Jihvamuliya Upadhmaniya Sandhi, table, examples and rules. Jihvamuliyaha Upadhmaniya Upadhmaniyaha Upadhmaniyaha Jihvamuliyaha Upadhmaniyaha. Now, when we studied the Varna Vibhaga, we have understood that there are 4 Ayogavahas. One is the Anuswara, the second one is the Visarga, the third one is Jihvamuliya, fourth one is Upadhmaniya. So we understood that Jihvamuliya and Upadhmaniya are special cases where Visarga pronunciation is halved. That means Ardha Visarga is pronounced in the place of full Visarga. Now this is a transformation which is happening. So Visarga, full Visarga getting pronounced as half Visarga is a transformation happening to the Visarga. Now when does this happen? It happens in special cases. Those special cases are classified as Jihvamuliya and Upadhmaniya. In these two cases, the transformation is happening to the Visarga, and hence this transformation is called Visarga Sandhi. Visarga, the Purna Visarga getting transformed to Ardha Visarga is Jihvamuliya or Upadhmaniya Sandhi. Now let us read some sentences. Balah karoti, Krishnah pibati. Very simple examples. Balaha karoti, Krishnaha pibati. Now, what is happening here? Balaha karoti. Balaha, you have Visarga, and in the second word we have Kakara. So the transformation is Balaha karoti, Balaha karoti, Balah karoti, Balah karoti, Balah karoti. This transformation is called Jihvamuliya in the case of Balah karoti. Now, the same Ardha Visarga, if it occurs in the presence of P or Pa, it is called Upadhmaniya. If it occurs in the presence of K or Kha, it is called Jihvamuliya. So very simple, just the names are different, but the Sandhi Karya which is happening is Visarga getting the Adesha, the full Visarga getting transformed to half Visarga. That is the Sandhi Karya which is happening. So Visargasya Jihvamuliyaha Upadhmaniyaha va Adeshaha bhavati. Now that is why in the previous table when we studied Visarga plus Karkasha Vyanjana is equal to Sakara, we left out the K, K and P, P because Jihvamuliya and Upadhmaniya occurs in those cases. Balaha Kaha is a Jihvamuliya case. So Antah Sevakaha Khanati Jihvamuliya, Antaha Puram Antaf Puram, Taruhu Phalati Taruf Phalati Upadhmaniya. Now what is the rule? Rule is very simple. Visargat Kakha Kakh ityetayoho Kukh ityetayoho. Punah vadami. Visargat Kukh ityetayoho varnayoho parayoho Visargasya sthane Jihvamuliyaha Puph ityetayoho cha varnayoho parayoho Upadhmaniyaha adeshaha vikalpena bhavati. If you say I won't do the Upadhmaniya or Jihvamuliya, you can still pronounce full Visarga in case you wish to pronounce and not do the Sandhi also. Optionally, K, K and P, P. For K, K and P, P, Visarga is optionally substituted by Jihvamuliya, Ardha Visarga and Upadhmaniya. Ardha Visarga once again. Now here I want to come to a special case. This is a special case and we see these cases when we are reciting Vishnu Sahasranama or Bhagavad Gita, etc. First example, Dhritihi Kshama. We have a shloka in Bhagavad Gita, Smritir Medha Dhritihi Kshama. The pronunciation of Dhritihi Kshama as per the rules of Panini is Dhritihi Kshama. Now what is the transformation here? Now, what should have occurred here? Visarga is in front of k. Ksha is made up of k and sha. Now, ideally, there are two cases. If Karkasha Vyanjana is coming, either it should have become Sakara. But now it is having ka, so Upadhmaniya should have come. That means Visarga should have become half Visarga. But there are special rules once again in Paninian grammar, which says that when Ksha is there, Visarga plus Ksha, the Visarga gets replaced by Visarga itself. Dhritihi Kshama, Dhritihi Kshama, Smritirmeda, Dhritihi Kshama. So we have to pronounce the Visarga itself fully. Now another example from Vishnu Sahasranama Stotram, Kshama, Kshamaha, 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 Kshamaha. Full Visarga has to be pronounced. This is because of the presence of Ksha. This is an exception to Upadhmaniya rule which we have studied.